Hello dear children, today we are going to learn memory drawing. So what is the memory drawing? When we are drawing different human figures together, it called a memory drawing. Today we are going to draw cartoonish human figure. So let's start the activity. For this activity, children, we need A4 size paper, pencil, black color sketch pen, color sketch pens or oil pastels. So our today's topic is a photo with my family. For that, first we will draw some circles. This circle is of grandfather, mummy. Papa is little heighter than mummy. So Papa, it's you. Then grandmom and one baby we can draw in our mama's hand. Baby is small. Okay children, so let's start drawing the memory drawing of photo with family. So one by one we will draw the dresses. Grandfather is wearing t-shirt, so we can draw like this t-shirt or sweatshirt, whatever you want to show. Then if you want, you can show specs to grandfather. Then nose. Okay. Now our mama. Which type of clothes your mama is wearing, like that you can draw. I am showing here one. Baby in her hand. So first we will draw the baby. Baby is holding mama like this. So mama is here. Okay, so if you want, you can show salwar suit to mama. If you want, you can show dupatta over here. Mummy is wearing palazzo or chudidar, whatever you want, you can show it. Okay, and we can show the eyes, nose and mouth of mama. Then this boy or girl. Okay, his one hand is behind. Okay. Now we will move to our daddy. So daddy is here. Daddy is also wearing t-shirt. Okay, daddy's one hand here behind mama's back. Then we will draw this boy, naughty boy or girl, whatever you want to show. It is you. So if it your girl, you can draw girl, or if your boy, you can draw boy also. So when we are clicking photo, many times we are giving different types of poses. So this boy is happy boy. Like this, he is keeping his hand. Many times we are also doing like this. Dada is behind him. So now we will draw daddy. If you want, you can show daddy in Bermuda or like this. Many times our daddy is wearing, and it's a shoes or chappals. Now leg of this me means this boy or girl. Okay, so if you want, you can show many different types of designs also on the dresses. Okay, now I am showing here grandmom. If your grandmom is wearing sari, you can show sari. If your grandmom is wearing salwar suit, you can show that also. If sometimes grandmom is wearing jeans, you can show that also. It's a blouse of grandmom. Now grandmom always loves us, so I am showing her hand, bangles in her hand, and like this. If you want, you can show some types of jewelry also. And it is sari of grandmom. Children, if you want to change the dress of the type of the grandmom, you can show. Now she is keeping one hand behind. Okay, like this. And if you want to show plaits to grandmom, you can show different types of earrings also to mama, to grandmom. If your grandmom is wearing spectacles, you can show that also. In it, we are going to show the eye, children. Don't forget to draw the eyes. And then nose, and always smiling face. When we are clicking a photo, we are always keeping smile on our face, and that is very important. Okay, so our picture is ready, children. Now I am going to make border to it, and if you want to give children any type of background, you can give to this picture, suitable background. My picture is in a proper size. I am showing the curtains behind. Okay, like this. Many times we are going for the functions. Curtains are there. Sometimes this type of flower malas are there. We can show like this flower malas or curtains here. Okay, children. Chalo, let's start border to this picture. I am using marker. If you are having marker or sketch pen, you can use and make a border to this picture. Now children, after doing border, we are going to rub this pencil work, and then if you want, you can draw some design on dresses, or we can do shading also, but I am drawing some design on the dresses. Okay, now let's start the coloring. Children, first I am giving skin color to all body parts like hand, faces and these legs. Okay. Brush pen or sketch pens, you can use that color also, children, or if you want, you can give shading also to the clothes. Sometimes we both brothers or sisters are wearing same dress, so here I am showing both brothers dress same. Now this daddy dress I am giving light green color. I am doing little design on it, circles with olive colors. If you want to change the color or pattern, you can change, children. Now daddy's pant. Here I am filling different blue color tones in this pant. medium, dark and light. Hello. Now grandfather's dress. Here we can do with shading, children any type of coloring you can do. If you want to do oil pastel shading, you can do with oil pastels, or if you want to feel colors with sketch pens, you can do that also. So black color belt. Here I will leave white as it is. So grandfather is having grey hair, so I am showing here grey hair. Okay, grey means white only. I am giving the dark one. Mama's hair. Now I am using this color brown for mama's hair, and this daddy's hair. We can give this black color in middle somewhere. So this shading is looking nice. If I am showing grandmother sari in violet pink color. And I am using this light pink color for a shading. So children, see, we can do oil pastels and sketch pens together also. And here we can show that golden color ka patti of the on the sari. Always zari ki sari. It called a zarichi sari. And mom here, little white and little grey. Okay, I like this. Now children, our drawing is ready. So for background, I am using this light yellow color. If you have any other color, you can use that also. Now here I am showing this flowers, zendu flowers with this orange color. Now this down portion, if you want to keep as it is, you can keep. Otherwise I am using this very light grey color down. Okay. So when we are showing background in light color, na children, our drawing always looking very beautiful. So all things will dark, it will not look good. Okay. See children, me and my family photo is ready.